quite different. It's not only a family business in terms of its leadership, it's an extremely tight-knit group of craftsmen, all focused on a single goal, many of whom have worked closely together for decades. And they're not just making helmets for an unseen consumer base. Most are riders themselves, and they're trying to make the best helmets for themselves and their friends and family to utilize.
So here are the takeouts, the stickers, and the bento box, the red one. More stickers, and the black motorcycle fuel tank bento box, which I like. Cool. Alright, so I now washed it nice and clean. So what I'm going to do now is to put these stickers on. Okay, right there. Okay. I guess that yellow stripe goes in the middle right there, and then these logos, they go on the side. Although it seems to me it's probably is a better fit to have the logos fit here than there. So let me just do that. I'm just gonna put everything pretty much on the lid and not on the side. Here goes nothing. Oh wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. It's like silver on the back. There you go. I guess that goes right here. There we go. Wow, look at the fit. That fits perfectly. This, I guess that's the only piece that goes here on this piece. And the logo. Beautiful. Since there already are stickers on, I am not going to be using this as a bento box, but I can use this to, store some stationery maybe, some tools and some little things. Yeah, it can be a nice box for anything. Awesome.